Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video we're going to be looking at the iCarsoft EU Pro Kit. The EU Pro Kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. But we have the tool plugged into a Porsche Cayenne right now, and it's, well, as you can see, we have the SRS airbag light showing on the dashboard. So we're going to use this tool to demonstrate how to diagnose the fault and actually reset the fault, hopefully. We have the EU Pro tool plugged into, this is one end of the connection cable. The other end of this cable is plugged into the diagnostic port, which is somewhere underneath that steering wheel. So we're going to go through the options of actually, first of all, what I'm going to do is go to setup, and I'm just going to turn off the little buzzer or the beeping sound because it can be quite annoying and it makes the experience a lot better if we don't have it on. So we're going to go to diagnostics and we're going to select our vehicle or manufacturer first of all, which is Porsche. And then we need to go through the options of selecting our specific vehicle. So it's a 2013 Porsche Cayenne that we're in. So it's not the bottom option there, it's this one here, 2011 onwards. So we go to manual. Okay, that's because we're manually going to select the system that we wish to diagnose. And then we'll go to airbag. So enter. Read DTCs. DTC stands for diagnostic trouble codes. So it's giving us one fault code here relating to the airbag light, and it's B100B1B. Driver's side airbag limit value exceeded. Now we've found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat, which is what's causing this. Whenever you get airbag faults, it's generally the first place you should probably look is the connections underneath the driver's seat, or the seat that it's giving you a fault on in any case. So we found a little yellow connection which had just randomly became unclipped, and we've clipped it back in, but obviously the airbag light is still showing on the dashboard and the fault is still on the screen here. Now that's characteristic of exactly what will happen. And that's why these tools are so important, because you need to first of all find out exactly where the fault is. This is going to put you exactly in the position of the fault. But even once you've fixed the fault, it doesn't necessarily mean that the warning light will disappear. You need to then erase the codes, which will then erase the warning light. So we're going to click on to clear DTCs, click on to enter. It's giving us one final message, are we sure we wish to continue. So when I click enter here, just keep one eye on the airbag light there. And there we go, the airbag light has disappeared. On screen here we have a message to say erase operation done, and it's all thanks to the iCarsoft EU Pro Kit. So the EU Pro Kit basically covers European manufacturers. So it's not going to cover the likes of Nissan or Honda, Chrysler, anything outside of Europe it's not going to cover, but I'll just run through what it will cover first of all. So it's got BMW, Mini, Land Rover, Jaguar, Mercedes, Smart, Sprinter, VW, Audi, Skoda, Seat, Porsche, Volvo, Saab, Opel, which is Vauxhall, Fiat, Alfa, Peugeot, Citroen, Renault and Dacia. So it's an excellent tool, and I will be doing a more detailed look at this tool for the Porsche Cayenne on a separate video, so maybe look out for that video. We'll have that coming soon. But in any case, the EU Pro Kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. I hope you've enjoyed this car tech video. I'll see you next time.